Okay, what is Farsi? What does it mean? Farsi is a name of the Persian language, which is spoken by the people in Iran and in Persia during the time of Rasulullah sallam, the king of Persia. That was their language. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So Farsi is a language where, like we say, English is a language, Urdu is a language, Hindi is a language. So Farsi is also a language. This is one thing. But if somebody has come from Iran or Faris, to that person also we can say, like to Pakistan, a man came from Pakistan, we'll say, tell him Pakistani. Hindi, Indian, we say in Arabic Hindi. In Urdu we say ye India ka hai, Hindi. So Farsi is also can be ascribed to a man who has come from Iran. Like he can say, I'm Farsi, Salman al-Farsi. Salman radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he was from Iran. And he came to the Medina and mashallah he accepted Islam.